Hi, Woody Henderson here with American Dreams Real Estate, and this is the San Diego housing update for December 2020. First up, we'll talk about key metrics here in San Diego. Median sales prices. We'll provide some information on appreciation at the national level. I want to talk about inventory and prices and the relationship between those two, some seller considerations in this market, and then finally finish up with information on interest rate projections. All right, let's take a look at San Diego key metrics. So this slide shows data between or for November 2019 and compares it to current data in November 2020. We see that the median home price is up to 669,000. That's 10.7% higher than it was at the same time last year. And that is a record new median sale price for San Diego County. Market time is down to 19 days or down 38.7%. The number of active listings is down to 4,515, down 43.5% from last year. The months of supply is down at 1.2 months or down 40%, and the number of sales is down to 2,979. So what we have is a situation where we've got a low number of active listings, low supply, and that's putting upward pressure on prices. And we've reached record prices for several months here in San Diego over the past year, and they continue just to kind of ratchet up. So now let's take a look at the median sale price. This is just a graph to show how dramatic the increases have been over the past year, up to a new record of 669,000. Now let's take a look at appreciation. This slide is for the national level and examines appreciation at multiple different price points. And we see that home prices for all market levels have been accelerating at the fastest rates in years. And existing home prices for all housing types have increased by 15.5%. Now let's take a look at inventory and prices and the relationship between those two. This shows information since 2010 on the national level, and we see that the dark blue line, inventory has gone down and has really reached record lows. Looking at the green line, we've seen that the impact of that is that we've had an increase in prices. You can hear my cat in the background. Let's look at home price forecasts. So all 8 of these expert organizations, including the National Association of Realtors, Realtor.com, Freddie Mac, all are projecting home price increases in the next 12 months or for all of 2021, depending on their time horizon. Now, I'd like to take a look at seller considerations. Well, one of the things that we've seen with the pandemic is that there's more uncertainty in the market. And when conditions are uncertain, we see a lot of people will tend to stay in place and not make a move. You know, right now, life is too uncertain for 34% of the sellers out there. Financial uncertainty impacts about 31% of sellers. And COVID health concerns has another 25% impact. So that uncertainty is tending to keep sellers in the places that they're in. And we also, on the other side, have buyer demand, which is up due to interest rates. So with seller uncertainty, you know, homeowners feel like things are uncertain right now and think they'll get a strong price in the future. If somebody's looking at trading up, however, the catch is that waiting may cause the prices or the cost to make a trade, make it even more expensive. With the record low interest rates, we can anticipate that we'll have more demand and higher prices in the future, making home less affordable as we move forward. Finally, let's take a look at the mortgage rate forecast. This is information since 2016. The line in red shows the actual interest rates, and the line in green shows that the interest rates are projected to remain at this remarkably low level through 2021. So in the big picture, we've got low interest rates driving buyer demand, uncertainty in the market that's constraining supply, and the net result is home prices continue to rise. not only on the national level, but here in San Diego as well. So I just wanted to make you all aware if you're thinking about making a move, whether buying or selling, or just want to get educated about how to make good decisions in the current market environment. I now have available my winter buyer and seller guides. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to allow me to share. If I can be of service in any way, please let me know. All my contact numbers, all my contact information is here. Thank you so much. And until next time.